Hello everyone, welcome to the business statistics class. So today we'll discuss diagrammatic and graphical representation from unit 2. So first we will go with diagram. So what is diagram? A diagram is a visual form for presentation of statistical data. The diagram refers various types of devices such as bars, circles, maps, pictorials, and cartograms, etc. So the importance of diagrams: they are simple, attractive, and easy understandable. They give quick information. It helps to compare the variables, and diagrams are more suitable to illustrate discrete data. It will have more stable effect in the reader's mind. Then limitations of diagrams are: diagram shows approximate value, and diagrams are not suitable for further analysis. Some diagrams are limited to experts, and details cannot be provided fully. It is useful only for comparison. The general rules for constructing diagram: each diagram should have suitable title indicating the theme with which diagram is intended at the top or bottom. The size of diagram should emphasize the important characteristics of data. Approximate proportion should be maintained for length and breadth of diagram. Then a proper or suitable scale to be applied for diagram. Selection of approximate diagram is important, and wrong selection may mislead the reader. Source of data should be mentioned at bottom. Diagram should be simple and attractive. Diagram should be effective then complex. The next one is a line diagram. So this is simplest type of one-dimensional diagram. On the basis of size of the figures, heights of the bar or lines are drawn. The distance between bars are kept uniform. The limitation of this diagram, or it is not attractive, cannot provide more than one information. So this is an example of the line diagram. And next one is a simple bar diagram. A simple bar diagram can be drawn using horizontal or vertical bar. In business and economics, it is very common diagram. So this is the simple bar diagram. We can do in both the methods, a horizontal or vertical. Third one is multiple bar diagram. So multiple bar diagrams are used to provide more information than simple bar diagram. Multiple bar diagram provides more than one phenomenon and highly useful for direct comparison. The bars are drawn side by side, and different columns, shades, hedges can be used for indicating each variables used. So here you can see there are three different bar diagrams are for every values. The fourth one is subdivided bar diagram. So a subdivided bar diagram is a way of representation of data in which the total length of the bar is divided into different parts or components in particular ratios depending upon the contribution of various subdivided bar diagram. So here you are having four different type of subjects: zoology, botany, chemistry, physics. And for different years, the number of students, how much marks they score, you can see for 2001, physics 45, chemistry 35, botany 25, and zoology 24. The same for the next years also. Next one is percentage bar diagram. So this is derived further from the subdivided bar diagram. In this, each bar has the same height that represent 100% of the y-axis in totality. Further, each bar is divided into sections based on percentages calculated according to the contribution of these sections. Percentage bar diagram are used when the values are really high. This is because using subdivided bar diagram in such cases would not be easy and appropriate. So this is the example of the percentage bar diagram. Then two-dimensional diagram. In two-dimensional diagram, both breadth and length of the diagram are considered as area of diagram represents the data. The important two-dimensional diagrams are rectangular diagram and square diagram. So rectangular diagrams are used to depict two or more variables. This diagram helps for direct comparison. The area of rectangle are kept in proportion to the values. It may be of two types. One is percentage subdivided rectangular diagram and subdivided rectangular diagram. So this is an example of subdivided percentage rectangle diagram. Then square diagram, to draw square diagrams, the square root is taken of the values of the various items to be shown. A suitable scale may be used to depict the diagram. The ratios are to be maintained to draw squares. And next one is the pie diagram. So pie diagram usually we know, most of the Google Forms also we are getting the same. So pie diagram helps us to show the portioning of your total into its component parts. It is used to show classes or groups of data in proportion to whole data set. The entire pie represents all the data, while each slice represents a different class or group within the whole. So this is the example of pie charts. So next topic we will discuss in the next class. Thank you. We will see you with the next topic.